Hello everybody. Got some bad news on the Monte Carlo, but we're going to get it fixed up. I dropped the tank yesterday. You notice, see all them wet spots? Yeah, it was leaking. It had some holes in it. We got a new one in. We're going to be putting that in, and we're going to be cleaning up quite a bit of this rust, because that trailing arm right here busted out. So I'm cleaning it away. See if I can. There's some pretty good metal under there. I need to scrape on it some more, get to work on it, but there's the top of the tank. All that was leaking out of there. But we're going to get that replaced, get this fixed, and then we're reinforcing the other side. I would video that, but I'm having a guy do that because that's something, when it comes to a chassis component being welded on, I don't have the welder that'll do it and do a good enough job. But I'll be back after I get these fuel lines unhooked. I had trouble getting them unhooked yesterday. But we're going to get that taken care of. Sorry, I got a head cold. Either that or it's my allergies messing with me. But I'm going to get to work on this, and I'll be back once I have the tank out from underneath. Hello everybody, gas tank's in. No more fuel leakage. I gotta fix that ABS wire, and then we gotta fix that. There is good metal to weld to, so we'll be able to fix that, and then we need to reinforce the other side. But there's the new tank. I spray painted it to knock down the rust, that way we don't have rust. But I want to show you something I found interesting. You know your additives and stuff that people put in their vehicles for the fuel additives? Well, I kind of found something that was rather interesting. And there was more of them in there. But you see that little silver piece? That is a piece of plastic from fuel additives that has somehow made its way down in the tank. I found several of these in there that were stuck to the strainer filter on the fuel pump, which the car was running, but now it won't focus. The car was running, but that was getting sucked up in it. Plus this tank's got a whole bunch of trash in it. So, car's running a heck of a lot better now, but now that you see that, it's pretty crazy. I gotta put the heat shield back on. I didn't have time to do that, but it is running. I'll go into more detail on this rust fix. I got a guy that's going to be doing that. But so far, no leaks, so looks like we'll be good. Well, if you like my videos, please like and subscribe. This will be it for the Monte Carlo today. I get that rust fixed. There's a couple other things I need to sure up. like getting the AC going. It needs a new compressor clutch and stuff like that. But we'll get that taken care of and we'll be all set and ready to go. But at least for now, we don't have any gasoline smell. So, like I said, please like and subscribe my videos. You'll see more on this car at a later date. Some of the rust repair too. The only one I won't be able to record is the one for the trailing arms. But we'll get that taken care of. Should be a good car for a while. So, that's it for today. Have a great and wonderful day. And it is pouring here.